Assalamualaikum everyone. This is me, Fiza Freelancing Wali. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to another inspiring session. Today we are going to review a powerful TED Talk that teaches us how one person's vision can change thousands of lives. Before we begin, let's first get to know our speaker. Today's speaker is Bilal bin Saqib, a renowned social entrepreneur, motivational speaker, and change maker from Pakistan. He is a graduate of the London School of Economics, where he studied social innovation and entrepreneurship. Bilal was also recognized in Forbes 30 Under 30 for his remarkable contributions to society. He is the founder of Teba.org, a non-profit organization dedicated to helping water-deprived communities across Pakistan. Through his innovative invention, the H2O wheel, he has made it easier for thousands of families to collect water safely and efficiently. His work demonstrates how innovation, compassion, and determination can solve real world problems. The topic of today's TED Talk is Nothing is Impossible if your intention to make a difference is strong enough. In this talk, Bilal explains how having a clear purpose, believing in yourself, and developing a growth mindset can help you overcome challenges. He also shares how simple idea can create a lasting impact on society when it is driven by a genuine desire to help others. Now let's explore the key message from his inspiring journey. Imagine waking up every morning and walking square kilometers just to collect water. For millions of families in Pakistan, this is a daily reality. I know it's hard to hear, but yes, it's true. For million women and young girls spend hours carrying heavy water pots on their heads. This is not just exhausting; it also prevents many girls from attending school and cause long-term health problems like back and neck pain. Water scarcity does not only affect health; it limits education, reduces productivity, and keeps families trapped in poverty. Bilal realized that solving this challenge required more than sympathy, it required innovation. Instead of asking people to continue carrying heavy water containers, Bilal introduced an innovative solution called the H2O wheel. The H2O wheel is a specially designed rolling container that allows people to transport around 40 liters of water with much less effort. This simple invention created remarkable changes. Women no longer had to carry painful loads on their heads. Young girls gained extra time to attend school. Families experienced better hygiene because collecting water became easier. Sometimes the biggest solution don't require complex technology. They simply require understanding people's real problems. Bilal shares real powerful lessons. First, nothing is impossible when your intention is strong enough. Many obstacles exist only in your mind. If we stay committed to our purpose, we can achieve extraordinary things. Second, develop a growth mindset. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn and improve. Success comes through continuous effort, not perfection. Third, confidence is built through action. The more you step outside your comfort zone, the more confident you become. Finally, don't let criticism stop you. People will always have opinions, but your purpose should always be stronger than their doubts. Bilal ends his talk by encouraging young people to become problem solvers instead of waiting for others to create change. Pakistan has many challenges, but it also has countless opportunities for innovation and leadership. His journey reminds us that making a difference does not require extraordinary resources. It requires compassion, determination, and the courage to take the first step. If there's one lesson we should remember from this talk, is this: nothing is impossible if your intention to make a difference is strong enough. So thank you so much for watching. This is our today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed, if you enjoyed this review and found it inspiring, keep learning, keep believing in yourself, and never stop looking for ways to make a positive impact. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye. I love you, everyone. I love you. Bit time basta man to. 5 मिनट हो जाए, 5 मिनट से कम के लिए बना सकते हैं। शो, अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाद में मिलते हैं।